Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
It is a settled position of law that only the ratio decidendi of a judgment is binding as a precedent full stop. In Union Territory of Pondicherry SC 1580, it has been observed that a decision is binding not because of its conclusion but with regard to its ratio and the principle laid down therein full stop. In this context, wherein it was observed that every judgment must be read as applicable to the particular facts proved or assumed to be proved, since the generality of the expressions which may be found there are not intended to be expositions of the whole law but governed and qualified by the particular facts of the case in which such expressions are found full stop. In other words, a case is only an authority for what it actually decides full stop. It is the judgment that stops the parties from reopening the dispute full stop stanza. However, for the purpose of the doctrine of precedent, ingredient is the vital element in the decision full stop. This is the ratio decidendi full stop. It is not everything said by a judge when giving a judgment that constitutes a precedent full stop. The only thing in a judge's decision binding a party is the principle upon which the case is decided, and for this reason it is important to analyze a decision and isolate from it the ratio decidendi full stop. The legal principles guiding the decision in a case is the basis for a binding precedent for a subsequent case apart from being a decision which binds the parties to the case full stop. Thus, the principle underlying the decision would be binding as a precedent for a subsequent case full stop. Therefore, while applying a decision to a later case, the court dealing with it has to carefully ascertain the principle laid down in the previous decisions full stop. A decision in a case takes its flavor from the facts of the case and the question of law involved and decided full stop. However, a decision which is not expressed and is neither founded on any reasons nor proceeds on a consideration of the issue cannot be deemed to be law declared so as to have a binding effect as is contemplated under Article 141 full stop. Article 141 of the Constitution states that the law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all the courts within the territory of India full stop stanza. All courts in India therefore are bound to follow the decisions of Supreme Court full stop. This principle is an aspect of judicial discipline full stop. If a decision is on the basis of reasons stated in the decision or judgment, only the ratio decidendi is binding full stop. The ratio or the basis of reasons, the principles underlying a decision is distinct from the ultimate relief granted or manner of disposal adopted in a given case. Full stop. The doctrine of binding precedent helps in promoting certainty and consistency in judicial decisions and enables an organic development of the law besides providing assurance to individuals as to the consequences of transactions forming part of daily affairs. Full stop. Thus, what is binding in terms of Article 141 of the Constitution is the ratio of the judgment. Full stop.